In the preview video, I've showed you how to choose your algorithm, but I didn't show you any graph, any image or something like that. But I wanted to show you in this video how KNN works. So let's try a KNN file or something with KNN, or KNN as you wish, and let me call it. Okay, I'm not writing. Yeah, so let me try again. New KNN test, for example. Yeah, we have this, and let me show you. So we import CV2 as CV. We import NumPy as NP, and we can import matplotlib as PLT. So right now we are not going to load any image. So what we are going to do now, we will create a set containing X and Y with 25 known training set. So we will create 25 objects, and all of them, we know them. So it is a training set. So let's create the training set first. So we can use train data, or you write everything will be. We create it from NumPy, and we randomly create integer from X and Y, and values of 25 known. Yeah, it's the value of 25 known data. So we will create these X and Y, or instead of writing X and Y, we can put like 0 to 100 and 25. Yeah, you can see what is this. This is the size, and 2, and here we use as type of numpy.float 22. Yeah. So in this we create the training data set that we know. So let's label them, or let's add something like creating the set of training data set. In here I can like label. So we will use something like response will be numpy again. Yeah, we can just copy all of these, because when we create the data set, we have to have the object and its name as well. So we will use, instead of 0, 100, we'll use 0 and 2, and here we'll use 1. Yeah, and that's all. So we use red or blue with numbers 0 and 1. Yeah. So let's take the red neighbor and plot them. Yeah, so plot red neighbor. Yeah, so we use red, and we take it from the training data, and the name will be the response that we have created, and we took the function level and we give them the number 0. Yeah, and we can use plot, scatter, and we use red, and from this, or from 0 to 1 or to yeah, I'm sorry, from this as I did it, and to 0, and they will all be red, and here I will use again the 1, and we can do something like 80 and read all of them, and here I will pass, sorry for that, this one. Yeah, right. Yeah, so like that. So then we can do the same for blue neighbors. So I will copy this because I don't want to write everything again. So let's plot blue. Yeah, and we will call this blue. Train data from the result response. Now we give them the value of 1. So you can see I have this now will be blue, and also this will be blue, and this is they stand for red, and this I will add blue like B, and instead of the sign let me put S for here. Yeah, so now if I show you the plot you will see plt.show. Yeah, so you will see. No, I have to run this one, KNN test. Yeah, I have this sign which is near here, and well, I use this sign instead. I use a star, and here I use squared, so you can see. And because of the fact that we use the random, so if I refresh the program, you can see that the the values are different. So I can do it more time, and you can see the plot is different every time I run it. So what we have to do now, we have to put in the plot a new item, and we'll use like a green item, and the green item will have to find the nearest neighbor, if it will be sometimes blue or sometimes red. So let's just add the item that we want to classify. So here we will add the new item from here, and we use again the same. So I don't know if I should copy it. Yeah, let's copy it, put the new item, it will be random and not 2 this time. Let's use 100 again, and we will not add 25 but just one of them, and K will be 2 for now, and yeah, it's alright right now. So we can use the plot scatter again, and we will add the new item that we have. And yeah, I could copy this one more time because I don't want to write it. Yeah, and this still 0, and again the new item, we add it again from this to 1, and 80. Yeah, this time it will be green, and yeah, we need a form for this. Yeah, I can put a small O. So you can see if I print this right now, or if I show you, you will see, yeah, I have here a red circle. So what I need to know is where is the nearest neighbor here. If the red should be changed to squared and blue, or if it should be changed to a star in red. So let's add the KNN classifier and you will see. So we first have to set this one, and we need it from machine learning, and it's from CV2, another function or library. Yeah, we initiate the KNN classifier. We take KNN or K-nearest create. So we create the object, and here we can train it with the training set that we have created before. So we use train, and we use the training data, and now we use again CV, machine learning library, and we take raw sample, yeah, and give it to the response that we have created before. So with this, we train the machine learning algorithm. We put the data, and we add a flag, and we put the label, so it knows that it is red or blue because of the number either 0 or 1. So let's continue with that, and we can add like red, or I can put a line later, or results will be in neighbors and the distance as well. So we add KNN that find the function that we will be using in the next time, find nearest, and here we add the new item, and here we have to know the value of k. I will tell you how to choose the value of k in next time, but for now let me just choose 3, and probably I will change the number of k and you'll see the result. So let's print something to the user. Print, and we can just add result in a placeholder, and we can add before the placeholder a new line because we'll print something more, and we format it, we put the results. Yeah, and what we can do next is print the neighbors. Print neighbors, and we put again a placeholder, another new line, and the format will be the neighbors that we have created, and lastly we will print the distance new line, or in format we put the distance here. So let's see. We want the program, and here you can see we have the red here. In neighbors, we have choose 3 neighbors, and we have just red. So the next time this will be red also, and you can see here the result is 0. And here also we have 0 0 0. So yeah, why this yeah, we didn't see the distance because I misspelled it. Yeah, and you can see the distance from the graph. So right now the result is 1. So you know that 1 stands for blue. So the nearest neighbor of this point is blue, and you can see the neighbors are 1 0 1. So the most is the most important. So we have 2 blue, so it will be blue as well. So that's all for now. Let's continue. I will show you another algorithm. So see you on the next video.